welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Nifa and welcome to my channel. Okay. So in today's video, it's another hair transformation video where I styled my hair and I used another drawstring synthetic ponytail from the brand, the same brand, Model. Hold on. My nails look disgusting, but this is the brand. Model Body Wave 1B, 30 inches. 30 inches. Yes. So, I like wearing it like this though. Like it's a half up, half down, but it's really not. So, if you guys would like to see how I created this style, it's very simple, very easy. By the way, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It will be linked down below. My name is Adore Manifa on everything except for Snapchat is Adore_Nifa. But anyways, make sure you also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. So let's just get into the video.